you can also use attachments in your reports. In theory, attachments could be any sort of file, but the only sort of files that you will actually be able to export through your template into a final report are screenshots and other images. So while you could share, for example, text files or zip files on projects, for example, if you have multiple users collaborating on a file or on looking at data behind a piece of evidence, for example, the only files that will actually export into your reports are screenshots. So you can add screenshots to things like issues, evidence, notes, and content blocks, but the procedure is all basically the same. You want to go to the area where you want the item hosted. So then let's say, for example, we want to add a screenshot to a piece of evidence on this node here. So we have the piece of evidence here. We have this attachments area here. So to add an attachment, you either drag the file onto the drop zone here, or you click the green add button. So here's one I've selected earlier. So now it's here ready to upload. Click on the blue upload icon here to upload the file to Dradis. That's now done. So if you now you have this link button here. If you click on that link, that'll copy the URL to your clipboard. So it's ready to paste into the item where you want the screenshot to appear. And of course, to delete the attachment, click on the trash icon. So if we want to add the screenshot to this piece of evidence here, click on the evidence, click on edit. And for screenshots, you always want to place them on their own line, because otherwise Word can throw a few problems when you try to pass the screenshot from Dradis into your report. So to avoid errors on exports, leave it on its own line, just paste it in here. We also allow for formatting of captions with this. In this case, within the two exclamation marks that signify the start and the end of the screenshot location, just add your caption in brackets. So caption here, close bracket, and now click Update Evidence. Now you see the screenshot appears here, and the caption is available on mouse over inside Dradis. And when it exports into your report, then the caption will appear in the caption style underneath your image.